Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedgen Lee, and I want to share with you some short-term counts of if this, maybe that type of a scenario on a technical analysis basis using primarily Elliott waves. Now, here's the short-term 4-hour charts up daily for Bitcoin. And in a sideways motion, it's usually 3 waves. So you can see here A, B, C, and I'm going to call that, let's call that the W. And in Elliott wave, you get a double and a triple combo, WXY or WXY, XZ. It really doesn't matter with regards to whether it's a 3 or 4. You just have to identify the 3 wave swings. So that's W. And I'm going to call this ABC. And that there will be my X. It fits in a 3-wave profile. The subwave of W, X, and Y doesn't have to be ABC. It can be another WXY as well. So this is 3W, 3X. And the next 3 is A, B, C. Okay, and so that's W, X, this here, therefore, will be Y. Now, this is so far a double combination. Double in that W and the Y, 2 are connected by the X. The 2 combinations are connected by the X. To me, I call the X in the WXY or WXYXZ as the linker. It links the 2. Now, can we have a W, X, Y, and an X? Well, I've got a problem with this. This really doesn't look 3-wave-ish. It doesn't to me. So I think it looks more impulsive. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it is impulsive, then I think what we're maybe looking at is an expanded flat of A, B, C. Maybe this will go to 150 or so. I don't know. But if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this here is ABC, okay, then we probably have this as wave. This yellow 5 as subwaves to a higher degree of trend 1. And this white ABC is a higher degree of trend wave 2. And we would then be expecting a wave 3 down. So that we'll get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interesting. If that is the current profile of what the Elliott waves are showing, then we have W, X, Y. And if we go on a longer term view like this, let's get rid of the subwaves, otherwise it gets too crowded. Okay. Relabel these and do it correctly. W, X, Y. And that fits into the overall impulse of this being a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for 3, probably a 4, and a 5. So probabilistically, lower lows are expected. Now, we can still potentially have this bear flag still develop further so that we get something like maybe this and then that. So that would be the alternate. scenario, which will definitely have it as W, X, Y, X. Now I see 3 waves. So maybe he temporarily breaks this and comes back in 3 waves. So then it'll be W, X, Y, X, Z. And then the 4 will go here. Okay? But for now, because this down looks so impulsive, that remains as an alternate count. All right, I hope you find this to be helpful. Now, if we put this together a little more, all of this here would be a wave, let's say. This is 3. This is another WXY in this case. If you cannot count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, it has to be WXY. So this is therefore B wave. And we're working on C wave. And the C wave, in any flat or zigzag in Elliott waves, must have 5 subwaves. The only time a C wave does not have 5 subwaves is when it's part of an ABCDE Elliott wave triangle. So now this makes sense to me. We have a greater degree of trend of correction of A, B, C. And the C wave must have 5 subwaves. Therefore, the yellow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're expecting at least something lower than the prior lower low, which is at around 17,605 or so. So we'll probably get something lower than that. And it already looks impulsive. 1, are we getting a 2? Are we going to get a completion of the triple? I don't know. The alternate? I don't know. But this makes Elliott wave sense to me. And let's see how it plays out. Have a good day.